Unlocking the secrets of a deep cleansing mask. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that's popular in both skincare routines and English conversations: deep cleansing masks. If you've ever wondered what this term means and why it's so widely used, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and learn how to incorporate this term into your English vocabulary effectively. A deep cleansing mask refers to a skincare product designed to thoroughly clean the skin by removing impurities, excess oil, and dead skin cells. Unlike regular face washes or cleansers, these masks provide an intense cleaning session that reaches deep into the pores. They are usually made from various ingredients like clay, charcoal, or mud, known for their powerful cleansing properties. This section will explore how these masks work and the benefits they offer for skin health. Let's dissect the phrase, deep cleansing mask, to understand its components better. Deep. This word signifies that the cleaning goes beyond the surface, targeting the dirt and impurities lodged deep within the skin's pores. Cleansing. Cleansing is the process of making something thoroughly clean. In skincare, it refers to removing dirt, oil, and other unwanted materials from the skin. Mask. In this context, a mask is a skincare product that you apply to your face, leave on for a certain period, and then wash off or peel away. By combining these elements, the term deep cleansing mask conveys a product designed for intensive skin cleaning, offering benefits that regular cleansing routines might not achieve. Using a deep cleansing mask is straightforward but requires following certain steps to ensure the best results. 1. Cleanse your skin with a gentle cleanser to remove surface dirt and makeup. 2. Apply the mask evenly across your face, avoiding the eye and mouth areas. 3. Wait for the specified time on the product's instructions, usually around 10 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water, and follow up with your regular skincare routine. This section will also highlight tips for choosing the right mask for your skin type and how often to use a deep cleansing mask for optimal skin health. We hope this video has shed light on the powerful skincare tool that is the deep cleansing mask. Not only does it help keep your skin clean and healthy, but understanding this term also enriches your English vocabulary, especially when discussing skincare and beauty topics. Remember, incorporating a deep cleansing mask into your routine can make a significant difference in your skin's appearance and health. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.